This is not your typical, ordinary day. Today marks the day your marriage begins. Today is extra special because you are surrounded by witnesses of the best kind. I invite you to turn and face your guests. To your guests, you are the most important people in Maggie and Matt's lives, assembled from near and far to celebrate their union. You are the ones who know them the best, and you are an integral part of this ceremony. Your love fills this space with warmth and meaning.
We are in New Jersey at the Ryland Inn in Bedminister. You know that you have this a huge circle of friends around you at all times. It's something that's gonna be really special for all of us to be a part of.
And I'm really excited because Maggie's gonna be my first sister ever. I can see how much the two of them love each other, so it's probably gonna make me cry. Out of happiness though, happy tears.
I met Maggie the first time at graduation at Villanova, and I could see how smitten Matt was with her. I could also see how smitten she was with him, and she's such a lovely girl.
Maggie's easy to be proud of. She's a rock star, so we always say Maggie's the glue in the family, the middle, the meat of sandwich, the cream in the Oreo, the ice cream in the sandwich. Like, she is it. She did great in school, she's doing great in the business world, and she chose a great partner, so definitely proud.
I have to tell you, you are very lucky to have such a nice guy right there. You really are. A special person.
I got to see my daughter for the first time, but she looks very beautiful, and I'm very happy for her.
This is torture.
He's not gonna make it through his vows. There's no way. I got some extra tissues in my pocket for him because I'm gonna need some myself, but I'm excited. I've been tearing up the whole time. Yeah, I teared up when I saw Maggie earlier. You deserve everything, and I'm so happy that you found someone that you are so comfortable with, that makes you so happy, and I just can't wait to be a part of the life that you guys are gonna build together.
Maggie, I'm so incredibly lucky that today I get to marry and spend the rest of my life with my best friend and the most beautiful woman inside and out. As I reflect on the last 6.5 years, I'm overwhelmed with happiness from the memories of all the special moments we've had together. These have truly been the best years of my life, and I'm so grateful that they have led us to this new special moment today. Even though I was the one that made the first move at a club in Las Vegas, you were actually the one that asked me to be your boyfriend. Today, I can say that I'm not nervous about committing to marriage with you, and I've never been so sure about something in my life. I have absolutely no hesitation because I love you unconditionally.
Matt, we stand here today to prove finding love in Las Vegas is not dead after all. That fateful trip to Las Vegas almost 7 years ago will forever be one of the best weekends of my life because it brought us together. Ever since then, we've experienced long-distance dating, moving, lots of traveling, heartbreaking loss of grandparents, moving in together, becoming cat parents together, and today our greatest adventure of all starts, marriage. I vow to grow with you, to build a life filled with laughter, compassion, unwavering trust, and as many cats as possible. For as long as we both shall live, I will stand by your side, for better or worse, in sickness and health, for richer or poorer. You are my one and only today and every day.
Now, by the power vested in me by the state of New Jersey, and by the power of your own commitment and choice within, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Matt, you may kiss your bride. I now pronounce to you Mr. and Mrs. Kelly.
Well, I could see that they were a good match for each other. I thought Maggie was attractive, smart, determined, outgoing, and I think she brings out the best in Matt.
I would say if you're watching this in 20 years, I've watched you guys grow And this is just really the beginning. This is the beginning of a really long and successful marriage. In 20 years, you guys will have grown so much more than you have grown to this point, but everyone is so happy just to be a part of it because we've already seen you guys come so far and everyone's so happy for you.
So Matt, you once told me one of the things you're most excited for in marrying Maggie is officially becoming part of the family, and I couldn't be happier standing up here today officially welcoming you.
So Maggie, you have had many titles in your life: a younger sister, older sister, middle child, and best friend. We hope your new role as being wife brings you as much, if not just a little more happiness than being sandwiched between the two of us. Cheers to the happy couple.
You two are amazing partners to each other, and I have no doubt that you'll have a long and happy marriage together. With that, I'd like to raise a toast to Matthew and Maggie. I wish you all the love and happiness in the world. Cheers to both of you.
All right, so last thing, who's gonna get the drunkest tonight?
I don't know, if Mama Walsh has her special signature drink that they serve at Trump Bedminister, it might be me.
Did he say himself?
Yeah, he did.
Yep, that place.
Like, I feel like I'm on like the Real Housewives, you know? Like,
Yeah,
I need.
I know.
a
I've always
tagline.
wondered what it's like when like they do their confessionals.
Probably gotta remember to smile more. I'm like, ugh. Nickname in college was like resting bitch face, so like please.
I remember the first time I got to meet Ed and Lynn at Villanova graduation day.
Typical, I'm buying shots for everybody at the bar. Tequila shots for everybody.
And about 10 or 15 minutes into the conversation, Ed pulled Matthew and I to the side and said we were gonna have a keg stand competition to see which brother was gonna win. Little did he know, he would get a first-hand account of Matthew and I's competitiveness with each other. For the record, I think Matthew won.